I'm thinking, guys, and I'm not sending this out yet, but I'm thinking on TLT, this will just be a straight exit as opposed to a stop exit. Well, Michael, Boeing's up $5. Been up $5 all morning long. So that's why that's on my exit radar as well. But that one, for sure, what I have queued up right now is for a half exit. Now, if it's trading down to 20 or 25 cents, we may consider exiting the entire position. I'm guessing it's going to open somewhere around 40 cents-ish, our spread, and that's where I would look to exit half. But let's see what happens here. Market is now open. Let's get everything up on the board. JP Morgan rocking and rolling. I'm not even so sure we're going to exit JP because remember, this is the short part of our spread is an option that expires next week, not today. So we may let this thing roll off a little bit here.